SLIC is a unique club of its kind. It was a wonderful journey of Devanshi. She learned to participate and speak, which she missed in school. She filled a gap between shy to a confident person. She joined the class in April 2019, but during the lockdown, she took the pace and improved drastically. Thanks for polishing her and be there for her. Our kids are enriched and there is a new wave of enthusiasm in learning. You are a great mentor. You make kids wonder, make them question. You make them speak, and speak more. You make them realize that not only being a good speaker, we should also be a patient listener. Even we, as a parent, have learned a lot from these kids. Gratitude and congratulations to you.